Welcome back to District 893 YouTube channel. On this video, we will talk about how to buy District 893 token on PancakeSwap.finance. First, copy District 893 token address. You can see and copy District 893 token address on our website. Second, you need to visit PancakeSwap.finance website. Click Connect Wallet on the up right corner to connect your wallet. Choose your wallet. In this tutorial, I will use MetaMask wallet. If you are new to this PancakeSwap.finance website, you need to approve or confirm your wallet. Make sure you have enough BNB to buy and to pay the gas fee. After you connected, don't forget to change the network to Binance Smart Chain Network. Move the mouse cursor to the left on the trade, then click Swap. You will see PancakeSwap.finance decentralized exchange. The default is BNB to Cake token. Let's click on Cake token, then you will see search name or paste address bar. Paste District 893 token address. Wait for District 893 token to appear. Fill in the BNB you want to spend against the District 893 token. You will see how much District 893 token you will get. Change slippage tolerance to 3% or 4%. Fill in the BNB you want to spend against the District 893 token. You will see how much District 893 token you will get. Click Approve, Confirm, click Swap and Confirm. You can check your transaction hash on BSC Scan. If you like and feel this video is informative, please like and subscribe District 893 YouTube. See you on the next video.